In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mocho Primary won and decided to send Ardenne Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Ardenne. Bible knowledge, who was the mother of the first set of twins mentioned in the Bible?
Eve.
Incorrect. It's Rebecca. Bible knowledge, Mocho. Keturah was one of the wives of which man in the Bible?
Pass.
Would you like to try Ardenne?
No.
The answer is Abraham. Science, Ardenne, which two of these foods will show more starch when tested? Is it corn, fish, carrot, and peas?
Corn.
Incomplete, corn and peas. Mocho, science, which two of these foods will show more protein when tested? Eggs, cabbage, onion, and milk. Time has passed. Would you like to try Ardenne?
Yes, sir. Eggs and milk.
Eggs and milk is indeed correct. Back to you, Ardenne. It's a visual question. International affairs. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Suriname.
That's right. International affairs. A visual question for you also, Mocho. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed. Your time has passed. Would you like to try Ardenne?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Cuba.
Cuba is indeed correct. English language for you, Ardenne. Spell execution.
EXECUTION.
That's right. English language. Mocho. Spell precaution.
PR.
Sorry, that did not come in time. Would you like to try Ardenne?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
PRECAUTION.
That's correct. It's your question still, Ardenne. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Antelope.
Incorrect. The answer is gazelle. Television, a visual question, Mocho. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Nick.
We'll take it. Nick Wilde. That's correct. Ardenne, general knowledge, how many years are being recognized in a bicentennial celebration?
200.
That's right. General knowledge, Mocho. A quadrennial event is one which is held once in how many years? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Ardenne?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
4 years.
4 years is correct. Social studies, still with you, Ardenne. What is the name given to the equinox that occurs in the northern hemisphere on September 22nd?
Summer solstice.
Incorrect. The answer is autumnal equinox. Social studies, Mocho. What is the name given to the equinox that occurs in the northern hemisphere on March 20th?
Pass.
Would you like to try, Ardenne?
No, sir.
The answer is vernal or spring equinox. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Ardenne Prep on 7 and Mocho Primary on 1. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Use a study planner or calendar to track homework, tests, and activities. A very worthwhile tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.